Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Niveen Elder, and I'm a Master of Public Health student in the Department of Health Management and Policy. And I am beyond grateful to be with you all here today, celebrating the great accomplishments of my peers and colleagues, despite this unconventional platform, but hey, let's give it a try. When I think about what public health means to me, an Arabic phrase comes to mind. It's just 2 words, but this phrase has helped to serve as a constant reminder as to why I even got into public health to begin with. Now that I'm at the end of my studies, I know that these 2 words, which would never make it past spell check, hold the utmost weight in explaining my passion and purpose for public health. These 2 words are qurrata a'yun and translate to coolness of the eyes. In old Arabic tradition, people would use 2 phrases, the eyes becoming cool and the eyes becoming warm. Neither one of these phrases refers to the literal temperature of the eyes, but rather the emotions that individuals may be experiencing. When one says that their eyes have become warm, it implies that they have been afflicted with pain and sorrow. When one says that their eyes have become cool, it means that they have been relieved of their pain and their sorrow, which brings me back to public health, because public health is just that, and it's a position we're finding ourselves in today. These past several weeks have been turbulent times for humanity, many in a state of panic around the world. We have been living off of uncertainty, constantly questioning when will things go back to normal, and what will our new normal look like. But unlike any others around the world, we have all been trained in the field of public health. There has been no greater time for the public health community to come to the forefront. We are part of the world's greatest public health leaders, and we are entering the workforce when our leadership and skill sets are needed now more than ever. We might just be the most important graduating class to ever exist. Just saying. But before we leave, and before we take our first postgraduate steps in the world full of affliction, I want you to remember exactly what it is that ignites your passion for public health and to write it down. Write it down so when you're out in the world and you find yourself in a state of panic or in a position where you feel burnt out, you can look at those words and they can hopefully provide you with some clarity and motivation to keep pushing. For me, those words are going to be qurrata a'yun, so I can always remind myself that the purpose of my actions is to relieve individuals of any burden and to make their eyes cool. But I'm also recognizing that I can use those words to help me push through as well. After graduation, I had plans of working at a local hospital, but I recently received the news that I will not be able to start as planned due to the pandemic. It's worrisome not knowing what my next steps are going to be, but I'm fortunate enough to be in a field that doesn't require a specific job title in order to make a difference. We all have challenges coming our way, but with the right mindset, I'm confident we'll all get through this. And with that, I truly wish you all the best in your future careers, and congratulations to the University of Michigan School of Public Health Class of 2020. Stay safe and go blue!